Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video, we are basically going to talk about the race of LLM models. And trust me guys, all the tech giants, right? Specifically like Google, Meta, Mistral, Anthropic, and then you have OpenAI. All are in the race to create the best foundation LLM model. And this LLM models are like kind of multi-model itself, which will be capable to understand both text and image, and it will be able to give you a good response. Now, these LLM models will be super important because whichever has the highest accuracy, right? Those models will be specifically used in companies because we have frameworks like LangChain or LlamaIndex, which can be a generic framework, and there you can integrate with any kind of model APIs based on your use cases. And that is the reason to create this best foundation model. Many of the companies are in the specific race. As I said, Meta, I said Google, right? I spoke about Mistral, spoke about Anthropic, OpenAI. Right now, OpenAI has a good, amazing accuracy, and recently Claude 3 has also been released. So this video is more to talk about some of the amazing LLM models which has recently come, because now Elon Musk is also in this specific race. We'll be talking about Grok-1, which was been released recently. It is having 314 billion parameters, right? And recently Claude 3 has also been launched, so we'll also be discussing about this. If I talk about the entire story, right now there are two major competition that is going on. One is with respect to the open source LLMs, and one is with respect to the paid APIs LLMs, right? And whenever we talk about this kind of LLMs, I'm talking about multi-model. Like we basically say it as mixture of expert models. It is good that you should know all these things, and regularly, whenever there is a requirement of such, I will be uploading this kind of videos so that you stay up to date and understand what is basically happening in the current field of generative AI. Now, one of the questions many people ask me, Krish, how do you probably get all this information from? It is very simple, guys. See, I usually follow all these tech giants companies like Meta, what is happening in the research itself. If I talk about Google DeepMinds, so I usually extensively follow them in Twitter. And Elon Musk, you should definitely follow him because every now and then he'll be tweeting about multiple things, right? And recently, about the news about OpenAI and suing OpenAI to become closed AI, right? So all those kind of news will definitely be going on. So what all things we'll be discussing about this particular video? In this video, again, I'll be talking about Grok-1, what exactly it is, and what is the process. You can go ahead with the installation and use it. Again, it is a mixture of expert model. It's just like a multi-model to be able to work with both text and images. And the best thing is that you can use it for any purposes. Second, the recent release of Claude 3, because this Claude 3, they are indicating that they are better than GPT-4, and we'll also compare the performance metrics. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end, and we'll keep the like target to 1000. So let's go ahead and hit like and share with all your friends. So the first news, as said, on March 17, 2024, open release of Grok-1 is done. We are releasing the weights and architecture of our 314 billion parameter mixture of expert model Grok-1. And as you know, guys, more the parameter increases, the more the better model is. We are releasing the base model weight and network architecture of Grok-1. So you can also go ahead and explore this in Grok-1. What is exactly Grok-1? Why we are building? See, at XAI, we want to create AI tools that assist humanity in its quest for understanding and knowledge. By creating and improving Grock, we aim to gather feedback, ensure we are building AI tools that maximally benefit all humanity. We believe that it is important to design AI tools that are used to people all background. The journey, it is completely given over here. The engine powering Grock is Grok-1, our frontier LLM model, which we developed over the last year after announcing. And you should know that, right? It is from this XAI, right? Owned by Elon Musk. We trained a prototype Grok-0 with 33 billion parameters. So this is the next version of Grock itself, right? So Grok-1, initially it was 33 billion parameters. Now it is somewhere around 314, right? Then to understand the capabilities, here you can probably see the performance metrics. So here is 33 billion, Llama 270 billion. Again, this is an open source, as I said. So GPT 3.5, with respect to this accuracy looks amazing. Palm 2 has a good accuracy when compared to this, but yes, Grok-1 is coming to that specific thing over here. And as we know that this is just the second release from Elon Musk, Third and fourth release will be pretty much good, right? So MMLU, all this evaluation, you can probably see it has a good accuracy when compared to GPT 3.5, better than GPT 3.5, better than Llama 270 billion parameters, less than Palm 2. Palm 2, or if I also say Gemini Pro 1.0, Cloudy 2 still little bit less, GPT-4 still less, right? So this was one of the announcement over here. So here you can see human graded evaluation. So this performance metrics, everybody is competing for this performance metrics. Whichever has the best performance metrics will be using those kind of things, right? And trust me, because these are foundation models and this will be used. And once you achieve that, once the companies achieve that, it is being going to used in many places. So all the other information, you can probably check it out over here. So this was the first one. I will just go ahead and show you the GitHub of this Grok-1. So this is the GitHub. It will probably tell you how you can download the weights. Torrent link is basically given over here. You can download the weights using torrent. And then if you want to go ahead with Hugging Face, you can use this particular commands from the Hugging Face CLI and you will be able to download it. Okay. So anyhow, in the upcoming videos, I'll show you this practical implementation also, because I have a powerful machine and I will be able to accommodate it. But again, it is a huge file. It's somewhere around, I don't know how many GBs, you know. If you probably go over here and see it out, you'll be able to understand it. Okay. Perfect. So here you can see 2 experts under used per token, layer 64, 48 for queries, 8 for key values. Again, this is based on transformers. Okay, what I see over here. Again, transformers is the base architecture. Now the next news is with respect to Cloudy, right? So if I go ahead and show you Cloudy, right? So this is the Cloudy 3. Again, Cloudy 3 is the most amazing announcement that has been done recently. 3 important variation has come with respect to Cloudy 3 Haiku, Cloudy 3 Sonnet, Cloudy 3 Opus. You will be able to use this Cloudy 3 Sonnet and see that how it is performing and all. But if I see this performance metrics, this looks amazing. And as I said, these are all in the race. And right now, if I probably consider with respect to GPT-4, because OpenAI GPT-4 had the best good accuracy, GPT-4 Turbo and all. And if I also talk about Gemini 1.0 Ultra, right? When compared to that, Cloudy 3 Opus has a very, very good accuracy. You can see this all green color with respect to different performance metrics. Undergraduate level knowledge, MMLU, graduate level reasoning, grade school maths problem solving, all this accuracy looks amazing. Multilingual math, code, human eval, reasoning over text. So this accuracy looks absolutely fabulous when compared to GPT-4, GPT 3.5, Gemini 1.0 Ultra, Gemini 1.0 Pro. Okay. The next thing is that the Cloudy 3 model have sophisticated vision capabilities on with other leading models. They process a wide variation of visual formats, including photos, this. And here also you can probably see with respect to the accuracy that is given. And if I probably see Cloudy 3 Opus, Cloudy 3 Sonnet, Cloudy 3 Haiku, when we compare this performance metrics with Gemini 1.0 Ultra, on this 3 front, it is high. But if I compare with respect to all the other, it is very much good. Okay. And again, reviews on harmless prompts, you can see Cloudy 2.1, which was the previous version. Based on that, it has also reduced it. So you can definitely know all these things. Again, you can go ahead and explore it. All you have to do is that just click on try Cloudy 3. And here you will be able to see this. At the end of the day, you can ask any question that you specifically want and you can communicate it. But if you don't know about Cloudy 3, it is specifically from a company called as Anthropic, right? Now, as said, guys, everybody is in the race, right? It is good that we should know all this specific information. For training all these models from scratch, because I have seen many people, they are asking, Krish, how can we create all this model from scratch? Unless and until you don't have a huge GPU, you don't have huge data sets, you won't be able to do it, guys. It is good that when we go in the companies, when we try to understand what all use cases can be solved, you should definitely have all this specific knowledge as you go ahead, right? So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side, and let me know whether I should continue this kind of videos or not for you all. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.